Assalamu alaikum guys, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Vivo U1. But before the start of the video, I request you please subscribe my this channel and press the bell icon and check out my other channel and my website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, glorious company Vivo announced new U1 smartphone, which is first device in its series. According to specifications, this handset is mid-ranger in its series and has interesting price and features. Vivo U1 is currently available to the company's home market and not yet released in other countries. Like Samsung, this brand has also worked so hard and achieved a successful goal in the market. Vivo's U1 is available in multicolors. Phone is equipped with 6.2 inches display, which has a notch on the front for the camera and a 2.5D protective glass for screen protection. Vivo U1's full view display is amazing, which carries the screen resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels, and the phone comes with 86% screen to body ratio. Under the hood of Vivo latest U1 is Snapdragon 439 chipset, and on the top it has a octa-core processor which handle all kind of your processings. Vivo is now in action, and new smartphone U1 will give a tough time to other companies and other company devices. This phone has 3GB RAM and 32GB of internal storage, and it is also available with the 64GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM. U1 also has a microSD card slot which can be expandable up to 256GB, allowing the user to store a huge amount of data without any trouble. Backside of U1 feature an AI smart dual camera setup carrying a 13 megapixel primary sensor and 2 megapixel secondary sensor with LED flash that will help you a lot to capture nice and quality pictures. U1 also support face unlock feature and a fingerprint sensor which is placed at the back panel for extra security of your data. Android Oreo 9.1 is running in the U1 by Vivo with the company's own front touch 4.5, and it is coming with the 4030 mAh batteries inside the phone so that the user can enjoy games and watch movies for a long time. If we talk about the quality, which is far more better than high-end smartphone, but Vivo U1 price is quite less than the given specifications.